Ready?
Ready!
Trivia questions, history. Ayan.
Which of these historical events happened first?
I mean, choices?
Philippine Revolution, Taiwan Revolution, Japanese invasion. Philippine Revolution.
Tama,
Tama yan.
Philippine Revolution. Tapay.
Who is officially recognized as the first president of the Philippines? Emilio Aguinaldo, Manuel Quezon, Miguel Maliar.
Malbar. Ano?
Emilio Aguinaldo.
Emilio Aguinaldo.
What is the capital of the Philippines from 1948 to 1976? Manila, Cebu City, Quezon City. Quezon City.
Mali.
Tama, Quezon
Tama
City.
yun.
Cebu, yung matagal pa yun.
Jaya.
He was the Philippine president known for his Filipino First Policy Program. Sino yan? Diyos makapagal.
Diyos Dado.
Ay,
Diyos.
Diyos
Ano?
dado makapagal.
Mali.
Eh,
Sino yan?
Elpidio Quirino.
Mali. Si Carlos Garcia.
Ba naman wala akong alam sa history?
Tapay.
The Philippines was named in honor of each European monarch. Philip I of Castile, Philip II of Spain, Philip III of Spain.
Kasi kapag una yan, matanda na yan.
Oo nga. Philip II of Spain.
Tama.
Oo, sexy mo
Philip II of Spain.
A group of elite, well-educated individuals whose main focus was Philippine nationalism were collected called Ilustrados. Ano si Rizal?
Tama, Ilustrados.
The Illustrates.
which of these modern events happened first? Marawi, COVID-19,
Marawi,
pandemic, Typhoon Yolanda.
Ano sagot mo?
Typhoon Yolanda nga.
Tama, Typhoon Yolanda.
From 1946 to 1962, the Philippines celebrated its Independence Day on what day?
What day?
Secret day.
Independence
Day.
August 21?
Birthday na yun. 19.
Mali, ang August 21.
July 4. July 4.
Tama, July